if you don't have any bad air quality outside, use that time to cool your home down with natural ventilation, by opening up doors and windows when it's nice and fresh outside. But during the middle of the day, we're still flirting out here with the low 100s or high 90s. And in Riverside area, you're talking about the mid to low 90s in the afternoon. Well, with temperatures like that, we oftentimes want to cool our homes down, and we're going to need air conditioning turned on in order to do that. So during the days, we can actually use our air conditioner systems, and at nights have it turn off. If you have a non-programmable thermostat, what you can do is basically set it to cool whatever temperature you like in your home. And when the temperature inside your home goes above that set temperature on your thermostat, then your system will kick on and cool your home down. But once it cools down at night, you open up your windows, things like that, your thermostat, you don't even need to touch it, because as long as your home doesn't go above that temperature set, it won't come on. Your air conditioner system won't come on. When it's time to heat your home, though, with a non-programmable thermostat, you will have to switch it over to the heating side, the heating mode, so that it knows that it's switched to a different system.